Hello again, Massachusetts home buyers. My name is Dan Bernal. I'm a realtor here in Salem, Mass. And today I want to talk about your mortgage and you. Alright, so here's the deal. As you begin looking for a home, one of the first things you're going to do is go out and get a pre-approval for a loan. Unfortunately, two of the only things that most people leave that meeting with a loan officer remembering are the interest rate they've been promised and the amount of money they've been pre-approved to borrow. Well, if you leave that meeting thinking, I've just been pre-approved for $300,000 and I'm going to go spend it on whatever I want, you're not. The thing is, that money is really essentially being stashed in whatever property you buy with it. And for the most part, most people own a home 3, 5, 10 years. You're not paying down a lot of principal in that time. You're mostly paying interest, which means you're going to be paying back that lender by selling the property, or they're going to take the property and sell it themselves if they have to foreclose on you. So essentially, their money is sitting in that property. Well, if that's the case, you better bet they're going to have something to say about what property you actually buy with it. The lower down payment programs like FHA, which is the most popular first-time buyer program, it's a federal program that has a very low down payment and very low interest rate, well, that means you have very little equity in that property. You haven't invested yourself very much in it, so they have a lot of restrictions as far as what the property condition is and what kind of property you can buy with it, because they know you don't have a lot to lose and they don't want to lose their investment. So, when you're looking at the amount of money you've been pre-approved, you need to have an open dialogue with your lender and with your buyer's agent, not only about how much you've been pre-approved for, but what actual loan program your lender is talking about when they give you that pre-approval, so you can talk to your buyer's agent about what kind of properties are actually going to qualify. You're going to find that often the cheapest loan out there and the cheapest properties out there do not match. So, unfortunately, if you are looking for beaters, there's a way to buy those. But if you're looking at a cheap loan, an FHA or a mass housing in Massachusetts, you need to look at properties that are going to match those. Talk to your buyer's agent about it. You can always reach me at dan.bernal, that's B-E-R-N-A-L, at virtualhomes.com, and I'll see you next time.